Good morning. This is Alan Nicholls with MAXHUB coming to you from Ignite. We're over here at booth 127. You guys should stop by when you see this video because we have our kits here. So I'm going to start off with our X10 VB kit. So our X10 VB kit is going to include the compute module. We're also going to have the touch panel with it with your HDMI ingest in it. And it's also going to come with our SO7 video bar. And the SO7 video bar, it's got a 4K Sony sensor in it. It's got 6 noise canceling microphones. It's got a 5x digital zoom. It'll also include the feature, it'll work with your Microsoft IntelliFrame, but it also has its own auto framing and its own auto follow. So it'll take all the microphones, find who's talking, zoom right in on it. And not to sell our other kit short, if you do have other uses, we do have a wireless speaker kit. So this is going to be our X10WS kit. So this is going to include our wireless speakerphone. It's going to have 8 microphones on it, and it's also going to come with our camera. And this is going to be the same Sony 4K camera with all the same features as the video bar, just in a different kit for a different kind of room. All of our devices come with a 3-year advanced replacement warranty, and depending on which kit you want, we have different levels of affordability, which we're still going to be the best in the market at these. So our VB kit is starting at $1349. And our WS kit is going to be $12.99. And every one of our devices comes with local support. So we've got support right here in the US. And when you're looking at global markets, we could support you almost all around the world as well. So these are our kits. Come see us. I'd love to talk to you about them. Thanks. And as much as we know that our kits have you covered in the small room space, we also know that you're going to want to use our X-Core kit in some of your medium to large room spaces as well. So what we've done is we were building up partnerships with companies like Nareva, Audio-Technica, and Sennheiser to bring you big audio for your big rooms. And when some of your rooms do have more, I guess we'll call them fancy controls. So you're going to have your projectors, their screens that come down. You're going to have your lights that dim or turn off when you start a meeting, or even if you have blind controls and all kinds of room control systems. We've partnered up with QSC, Extron, and Crestron to bring a lot of these features to you on your panel right here. And now, once you've invited your MTR to the meeting, you're going to come up to the panel, and the panel's actually going to have this on the screen. So if you're invited to a Teams meeting, or if you're going to use the direct guest join feature and you wanted to have a Zoom meeting on here, a WebEx meeting, or even a BlueJeans meeting, you'll have your little icon in the upper right-hand corner here of what kind of meeting you're joining. So right now we have a Teams meeting, and I'm going to join that just by hitting the join button. Now we are connected to the meeting. We have all our meeting audio. We brought our camera in. And actually on this unit, we have 2 cameras. So if you wanted to switch cameras that you're using, on the camera button, hit your down arrow. And I'm going to switch to our W31 camera. And once that initializes, we can come back to the screen here, and now we got our new camera in the room. If we want to pin it, we can just select the MAXHUB demo user, which is going to be your X-Core device. I'm going to pin. And now on the screen, it's going to show the video primarily from that. Now, if you wanted to share things like a whiteboard, you could hit your share button, select your whiteboard, or if you're using the HDMI ingest on the back of the screen, you can use the HDMI ingest option. If we need to change it, say you have bad lighting in the room, or you have hue and you need to change kind of the color, what we can do in here, hit these 3 little buttons, we'll go into our room controls, and it's going to pop open the MAXHUB plugin. And what that's going to do, it's going to find your cameras. We're going to use the SO7 video bar here. I'll click on video. And now, if you're not using your remote control and you want to turn on auto framing, you can turn on your auto framing right here. You can adjust it, the pan, tilt, and the zoom on the camera right here. And you can do all of your lighting adjustments and color adjustments right here.